Hi developers. We all know authentication is always the trickiest part of any Flask app, right? Signups, logins, handling sessions, making sure passwords are secure or not, it takes a lot of time. But what if I told you there is a tool that does all this for you in just a few minutes? Normally, when we build authentication, we need to create sign up and login forms manually, manage sessions or JWT tokens ourselves, and if we want Google or GitHub logins, and that's another headache. It's slow, repetitive, and honestly very boring task. But we don't need to do that anymore. This is where Clerk comes in, and Clerk gives you ready to use sign up and login pages, social logins, and secure sessions out of the box. So now let's get into the Clerk and see how Clerk looks like. First, I'll head over to the Clerk website and create a free account. Now that I am signed in, and I'll create a new app here. This new app is a room for our specific project. Clerk asked me to choose authentication methods. I'll pick Google and GitHub for now. You can choose more if you like Facebook and other authentication methods that you want to give to your users. But now I am done with this, and the best part, on the free plans, clerks let you manage up to 10,000 users. That's huge. When your app grows, after that you will pay to the clerk. Let me show you the API keys that clerk gave us. First one is a publishable key, second is clerk, a secret key, clerk secret key, and third one is the uh, front end key. So now let's get into the coding and see how all the things we've done and create our authentication. Here's my Flask project folder. I'll quickly set up virtual environment and create a Python file over here. For now, I just added a simple route that rendered the home page along with the navbar UI so things look clean. Here is my template folder, and in this folder, I have index.html file. Uh, I just created some sample HTML with nice UI just show you the nav bar, sign up or sign in buttons. Now we also need a .env file to keep our clerk keys safe. So I'll just paste the API keys over here and publishable key, secret key, and front end key. Now let's create the root for authentication. I'll just grab the code from clerk's docs, paste it here, and that's it. This will handle sign up and sign in automatically. Like this route is actually the communication way between the clerk and our Flask application, and it gives our data to the clerk. So this is just a simple route, our authentication route and our session route, mainly a middle. This is called the middleware links that we just put it over here. After creating the route, we have to use the JavaScript code. There is an API key, front end API key, and front end UI API key. We call it front end UI API key, and it will uh, get the UI code from the clerk. Why? Because we don't write any sign up and sign in forms, right? We just use API key and clerk done this for us. So see how cool it is. Like clerk do all the things for us. After that, let's run our app and see uh, it it will works or not. And here we go. You can see our simple web application. I just created a sample. So first, let's sign up and check it will work or not. I'll click sign up, and clerks give me options: email, Google, GitHub. I want to try with Google. Uh, let's signing up, and clerk verifies my details. It sends me a verification code. I'll just enter that, and you can see I'm amazed. Uh, our sign up is done. Like within a second, we just pasted our API keys. We just create a Flask route, all middleware and authentication, and we're done. Like Clerk gives a very simple method to implement authentication in our Flask app. And the cool part is Clerk also gives you a profile management page, so user can update their info easily. So that's how simple it is. Clerk makes authentication in our every project, every Flask project. No building forms from scratch, no handling sessions yourself, no stressing about security. Clerk take care of it all. You can see that how simple it is. Within a few minutes, we created or implemented our authentication in our application, and same like that, you can implement authentication in your project and make it secure. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Flask and AI tutorials. And let me know in the comments what you want me to cover next. Thank you.